Want to know how to make money on Twitch without being a partner? In this video right here, I'm going to show you all the ways to make more money on Twitch. Let's go. This video is sponsored by NerdOrDie.com, the one-stop shop for premium overlays, alerts, and widgets for all your live streaming needs. Take your stream to the next level with NerdOrDie.com by saving 10% with promo code WILD4Games. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any point of the video, you like any of the products or services that I'm talking about, make sure you check out the show notes below because I've attached links that'll take you right to everything that you need. All right, let me address something right off the bat. Being a Twitch streamer, it's not easy, and even more, it's not cheap. I mean, think about it. You gotta spend money on video games, software, hardware, services, accessories, anything for your stream room or your stream channel. It all costs money. And if you're a Twitch affiliate or a Twitch partner, you can earn money through donation of cheer bits, or you can get subscribers, or if you're a Twitch partner, you get ad revenue. But what if you're not any of those things? You don't have that at all. What if you're brand new to Twitch? How do you make money? Well, I'm gonna show you some of the top ways you can start earning money right now that you can implement that's gonna have huge impacts on your stream. And hey, if you're a Twitch partner or a Twitch affiliate, these will work for you too. So go ahead and get out your notepad because I'm gonna be rattling off a lot of awesome tips. One of the best ways to make money on Twitch is actually making money directly through Amazon. And to do this, you want to become an Amazon affiliate. By becoming an Amazon affiliate, it gives you the ability to take SKUs that are on Amazon's marketplace and generate them into clickable URLs that are tied to your account. So every time you make a sale on Amazon's marketplace, you get a portion of the revenue. Now, the cool thing about Amazon affiliates is even if they don't buy your product, if they buy anything within their visit of 24 hours to Amazon.com, you can still get a portion of whatever they buy on that marketplace. And this is one of the best ways to generate a huge income. Now, the cool thing about Amazon affiliate links is since Twitch is owned by Amazon, they've actually helped you streamline the process. You can use a really cool plugin / widget called Amazon Blacksmith, which allows you to put in all the products that you use on your channel or products that you want to promote. So that way, when people go through your panels, they can click on this particular widget, see the products, and it will direct them to Amazon's marketplace and thus helping you generate revenue. Now, I actually prefer making a list. So this way I can actually extend further out and this way people can always reference it or download it, but it's completely up to you on which way you would like to promote your Amazon affiliate links. Heck, you can even just change them within the URL and make them hyperlinks on your panel. If you're not sure how to do that, go ahead and take a look at my previous video on how to customize your Twitch channel, because this is something that you can start implementing right now. Okay, let's use some basic awesome strategy on this one. When people come to Twitch and they watch you stream, what are you streaming? Most likely a game. So why not sell that game to that person that's coming to your channel? Let's take a look at this. A lot of people who come to your channel may be lurking or maybe actively engage on wanting to know more about the game or review or seeing your process or seeing how much fun you have about it. And this is your chance to make a sale on that game. Now, just like Amazon affiliation, there are a lot of other affiliation stores out there that you can be a part of. Some of those websites and marketplaces are Green Man Gaming, CD Keys, Humble Bumble, and way many others out there. All these places allow you to sign up to be an affiliate, and every time you stream the game and you're having fun and people click through the link, whether you put it in your chat or you put it down in your panels, every time you make a sale, you make a little bit of money, which is gonna chip away and help you out a lot. And this is huge. Since Twitch took away its actual game sales not too long ago, you can fill in this gap, and trust me, this one works wonders. One of the best ways to make money on Twitch is actually to diversify off Twitch. I recommend making a YouTube channel. There are plenty of things that you can add to the content of online media that people will gobble up, whether it be walkthroughs, hints, tips or tricks, or highlights, or even just clips of you goofing around on your stream, or just playthroughs. People consume media constantly. And what you want to do is Twitch can be your live content And YouTube can be your offline content, because that's what's going to be searchable and people can find you. And the awesome thing about YouTube is when you reach the corresponding requirements of 4,000 watch hours and over 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning ad revenue. Now, at the beginning, it's gonna be very small, but trust me, over time, this adds up and it can start chipping away at what you need to help grow your stream as long as you keep adding to your YouTube channel. Speaking of ads, a really cool program out there is called Loots. Loots allows you to actually put ads live on your video player every time somebody submits a message through their service. Now, depending on how many people are currently watching your channel at that moment, and that ad gets seen by X amount of viewers in your channel, you will earn a percentage of revenue. Now, this is a great thing if you're a bigger streamer out there, because if you have a couple hundred people, or you get a raid or a host that have a couple hundred people, and your viewers or your mods are sending messages through Loots, you can generate a hefty amount of money within a couple amount of streams. It's a great platform. Now, just to be careful out there, don't go overboard with it, because it can seem a little too much. In fact, they actually let you only send so many messages within a given time frame, but it's actually kind of a cool little program. Another great service to have is Patreon, which offers crowdsourcing fundage for you and your channel. Now, the nice thing about Patreon is if there's something that doesn't resonate or is maybe censored or restricted by Twitch's terms of service or policy, Patreon isn't as strict for a lot of things, regardless if you do, like, pictures or calendars or certain artwork, or maybe even generate certain musics. You can do this all on Patreon and offer it to your patrons who can sign up. And the nice thing about Patreon is you actually get a bigger cut from Patreon than you would from a Twitch subscriber. Now, let's just say you're a graphic designer, or you produce awesome art, or hey, maybe you got a personal brand. Then you should start selling merchandise on your channel. You would be surprised at how many people want your art, maybe they want your prints, or maybe they want some of your photos, or they want some of your graphic designs, or hey, maybe they just want to rep you because they like your channel so much. This is a great way to start making a little bit of an extra income. I mean, it's a good untapped resource, and there are some great websites out there. I'll put a few in the links in the description below in the show notes, so make sure you check it out. But I mean, who wouldn't want a Wild for Games t-shirt? Now, one of the easiest ways to make money on Twitch is through donations. If you're not sure how to set up donations on your Twitch channel, I've already done a video on that. I'll put it up in the card there, so go ahead and check it out at the end of this video. But getting donations through Twitch, through viewers, regulars, and supporters, you'd be surprised at how much unity there is and how much people are willing to help you achieve your goals as long as you're producing high quality content. And there are some easy ways to generate a little bit more money from this. What you want to do is actually have links in your panels and in your chat bot, so that way people know how to donate and where to donate. And when you have awesome graphics from my friends at nerdordie.com, creating a little more hype with stunning visual graphics is a great way to generate a nice donation train hype for your channel. So make sure you get yourself some awesome graphics at nerdordie.com. Like we said earlier, diversification is key. You don't want to lay all your eggs in one basket. So finding other avenues to earn income is something that you need to do. And if you're very good at writing, I would highly recommend having a blog or your own website where you can have ads that will generate on this. And it's very easy to set up a Google AdSense account. If you create content that's searchable and people are looking for it on your blog, which you can also put within your Twitch panels, you'd be surprised at how much money you can generate, especially if you're creating really good written content. This is something that I lack because I am not a creative writer. I really wish I was, because I love to read. I'm dyslexic and it's very tough. But you can make very good money from blogs. Gaming blogs are huge. Review blogs are very big. New tech coming out is awesome. Like, there are so many things that you can funnel into, and you can make an awesome little blog or a little website that'll generate a little bit of money. One of the things that is so awesome about Twitch is so many people are creative on it. And I'm not just talking about the people that are on the art section or makers and craft or in the music section. A lot of people that stream games have other talents too. And it's time that you utilize that to make a little bit of money. Perhaps you're a digital artist or graphic artist. Hey, did you ever thought about making overlays or emotes for other Twitch streamers? Hey, do you paint like I do? You can sell your paintings on streams. Or if you do anything like with purlers, or you do anything with sewing or crocheting. There's a lot of different ways you can make money. Heck, if you make music, you can sell your own music. Or perhaps if you do baking or recipes like that people love, you could sell your recipes. There are tons and tons of ways to monetize your talents on Twitch's platform and any streaming platform. So consider utilizing your talents to make a little bit of extra money. There are so many ways that you can make money on Twitch without being a partner that it kind of blows my mind. And these are just some of them. There are more that I can share with you. And if you're interested in another video on how to make money, or you want to know how to make more money, or if you want to know some tips and tricks on how to get more money out of these tips I just gave, I can show you some really cool things that nobody ever talks about. If you guys like this video, or you have a way that you like to make money on Twitch, YouTube, or Mixer, do me a favor, go ahead and comment below and share it with the community, because we all like to learn and grow. If you guys want to keep up with me and what's going on with my channel or my artwork, make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram and help me grow there. And if you'd like to see me stream live on Twitch, go to twitch.tv/WildForGames. And if you want to help support me, hit that almighty sub button. Thank you to those that already have. You're all rock stars. I will see you guys all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care all. Peace.